Okay, so we did end up getting the grain cart, but the guy was also selling a grain truck, so we had to buy that because it was at a good price. So now we have to drive this grain truck and this grain cart behind my dad's pickup 140 miles back to our farm. I'll throw in some time lapse, let you all go along for the ride. But yeah, let's get going.
Took my first breath.
Okay, so we're sitting at the Walmart in McCook, Nebraska. We're about halfway through the trip. It's taken not a lot of time, but we left the guy's place at about noon, and I think it's 3 o'clock Central Time. Yeah, 3:10 Central Time. So we're at McCook. Now we're gonna start heading back to where our farm is, which is still like another 80 miles or so. So keep you posted. Bye.
Muddy rises, spills into the Gulf of Mexico. The skyline's colored by chemical plants that put bread on the table of the working man.
Okay, so we officially made it into Hitchcock County. We only have 2 more counties to go till we're back to the farm. So probably at least 2 hours. It's not gonna be fun. That's what we gotta do to get these things back. So I'll keep you all tuned. Okay, so what we've been doing has gotten a little more sketchy. So we just got on a different road to head up to Imperial area, and my pop's tires are too wide on my grain cart to fit on the road. So we're hanging over in the opposite lane by about a foot, well, a tire length and an auger length. So every time a car's coming the other way, he has to slow down and get in the ditch almost. There's about to come a semi real soon. See how this turns out.
Where the working man does his best to provide safety and shelter for kids and a wife, giving a little of his soul every day, making overtime to keep the wolves away.
There's a guy out here selling corn. He has a little bit newer combine than me, just a little. And it's only worth about 100x at least. So look at that beautiful S780. Yeah, I think we're about to the town called Juanita. I don't remember all the towns along this road, but yep.
Well, I was barely 13 when the company man tried to dig my daddy's grave. It happened on a French-owned tanker ship, spilling poison into Galveston Bay. Well, the liquid fire filled his lungs and his eyes silenced anymore.
Well, guys, we finally made it back to Mountain Time Zone. We only have 1 more county to go through to get to ours. We have to go through Chase. Well, guys, I'm getting really tired of this. I'm just really tired in general. My butt hurts because the seat's not comfortable. These folks are dumping into their semi. Just a little bit bigger setup than us. Just a little. Their semi holds 1,000 bushel. This holds 420.
For the next few years, Dad was sick as a dog, but he made a recovery just to spite the odds. the settlement came and we moved.
Well, y'all, we're finally pulling into Imperial. We got to stop at a co-op to get some fuel in this because I'm below a quarter and I don't know if I have enough to make it back to our farm. Imperial's a pretty big town, so there's many places. I think there's one on the corner between whatever highway this is and the highway that goes north out of Imperial. About Chase County compared to our county is the roads are awful. It's slowing down. Okay, up here we got the infamous John Deere dealership down in Imperial, Nebraska. It's the last town that we have to pass through until we get to the town where we need to go. They have a lot of inventory at this one. Look at all those 8Rs, it's insane.
Out of town where the sky isn't heavy with refinery clouds. Yeah, he's still alive, he's doing good, he's in his 50s, but the money's running out, and he's pinching for pennies. So I'm going for broke with every song I play, 'cause now it's my turn to keep the wolves away.
Well, guys, we're practically home. One of our hayfields is on the left of us, and we're about a quarter mile from our driveway. It is 4:41. I don't know if you can see that on my phone, but it's 4:41. We left the guy's house at, I think, noon. So 4-hour drive, or 4 hours and 3/4 minutes. Get home. Just took a long time, and we had to stop a few times to fuel this up, but we didn't put very much in it, and top off its coolant. Either today or tomorrow I will do a little video of like showing the grain cart and everything that works on it, and this truck, everything that works on it. Shut off our air. Well, this thing's wide. Barely fits on our driveway. I can't tell if you can see that or not, but it's super wide. I think that cart straddles 4 rows of 36-inch spacing. That's bright. So guys, we finally made it back to the yard. Yeah, after 4 hours. Hope y'all enjoyed the journey. I hope y'all will enjoy the review of it as well, and then next year the use of it.